Hi, I'm Chandralekha. We have seen the current scenario of retail sector in India, FDI in retail, and also the benefits and challenges of FDI in the multi-brand retail. Now, let me explain the various possible solutions that our team is proposing for a smooth implementation of this policy and to achieve a win-win situation for all the stakeholders in the value chain. First, we suggest that the government should plan to allow the expansion of organized retail in phases so that it can learn and do amendments as needed for the effective implementation. Also, implementing in phases will help various macroeconomic indicators such as inflation and unemployment to get adjusted in the process. Any loss of jobs due to this policy will get adjusted as more jobs will be created later. Also, this will allow for the development of necessary infrastructure in the supply chain. Phased implementation will also give enough room for corporates to learn more about the Indian consumer environment. Majority of Indian cultivators are marginal and small farmers. To protect the interests of these farmers and to help them reap benefits of organized retail, the suppliers' cooperatives should be encouraged by the farmers. Also, private code of conduct should be formulated for organized retail for dealing with small suppliers. Thirdly, we suggest that in order to strengthen the competitive response of the unorganized retailers, the role of the Competition Commission of India should be strengthened by allowing it to formulate rules against predatory pricing and collusion by the corporates. Fourthly, we suggest that the states enforcing the APMC Acts should bring required changes to modernize APMC markets and allow farmers to sell directly to the retailers. Now next, we know that India is ranked low in the aspect of business-friendly environment compared to other emerging economies. Hence, to achieve the expected target growth of the FDI in retail in India, government should simplify the process of obtaining license for organized retail by transnational corporations. Also, to allow for expansion and competition by small and unorganized retailers, banks and microcredit institutions should be encouraged to extend credit to these small and unorganized retailers. We have seen that in other emerging economies, the unorganized retailers have felt the competition and tried to expand themselves. So these financial institutions should be made ready to allow credit to these unorganized retailers. Finally, regulations should be enforced to deter extensive use of chemicals on land which may have a negative impact on the ecological balance. Proper conditions should be put on using of preservatives or additives to food. Also, corporate retailers should be encouraged to keep a tab on their carbon footprint by limiting their greenhouse gas emissions. Thus, we suggest these solutions for a win-win situation of FDI in multi-brand retail in India. Thank you.